Did you know that we throw away over 30 million tons of furniture in the United States alone every year? I'm on a mission to help you rescue, restore, and redecorate some of those pieces that you have in your own home. It's not necessary to totally tear out your kitchen and redo it or throw away that piece of furniture. I want you stopping along the side of the road when you see a piece, because I've made it as easy as cleaning it with my clean slate and then starting to paint. There's no need to sand it, there's no need to strip it, there's no need to prime it with any other primer. And what's better than that, it has no VOCs, it's water-based, it dries within 30 minutes, and you do not have to seal it if you don't want to. The surfaces are endless. You can rescue pieces like Formica, your kitchen cabinets, your kitchen vanities, your ceramic, your tile. You can even use it on brick, especially like your brick surround, or even on the outside of the house. You can use it on metal, upholstery, lampshades. The surfaces are endless. All you have to do is clean them first, and then you're ready to get started. Using a synthetic brush, I'm going to dip it down into my black one-step paint. Every room needs a little black. And in long, clean strokes, I'm just going to paint on top of my piece. Usually it's better to work on a flat surface. So if you're working on a drawer or a door front, lay it down flat and be able to paint on it. You don't necessarily have to. You'll notice that the consistency is thick enough if you need to be able to work on a vertical surface. Now, working on darker colors is going to give you a little bit better coverage, but when you're working on a lighter color, you're going to want to be able to come back with 2 coats. It's called one step, not necessarily one coat. The great thing about it is it has a beautiful fragrance to it. It smells like I'm baking, and it allows me to be able to work indoors. It has no VOC, so I can easily rescue and restore my baby furniture, children's furniture. I can use it in my house and not worry about any odors or any fumes. I'll allow this to dry about 20 or 30 minutes. I can come back and do the second coat, and then I'm ready to wax it. If I want to be able to add some cerulean wax or a finish, I can do that as well.